First, plug the USB flash drive into the USB slot of the printer. Note that the USB flash drive only accepts FAT32 format. The printer will display a message to identify the USB drive. Press Continue to enter the USB drive page. To print a document, first select the target file. Select Print. Set the required printing functions as needed. Then, press the Start button to start printing the document. To remove the USB flash drive, first press back. Select Remove USB. Press OK. Finally, you can remove the USB flash drive.